EP English is designed as a leveled literacy and literature resource, blending seamless differentiation with fun, engaging content to build critical thinking and fluent communication skills. We know that every English department interprets their curriculum in response to their specific cohorts, and so our resources are fully customizable to suit your school's English learning program and meet the needs of your students and community. EP English aims to foster a love of literature, media and communication through thought-provoking curriculum-aligned content designed for modern teaching and learning workflows. The content is suitable for students from upper primary to senior levels. The ever-growing library of differentiated lessons challenges students to read, view, interact with and respond to a variety of texts, skills, concepts and critical thinking activities. Teachers can create unique courses and lessons to achieve a multitude of curriculum objectives. Let's take a look at some of the lessons and content available. Our vocabulary building content provides engaging tasks for students to explore etymology, roots, and the historical context of the English language. There are also numerous academic vocabulary lists to help students expand their language. Our language conventions content is packed with comprehensive grammar and punctuation lessons designed to motivate students to increase their fluency. All of our skills content builds towards transfer tasks where students must apply their knowledge of the language mechanics in long answer and extended writing tasks. Our interactive reading library is a great way to build reading literacy skills through high-interest reading lessons. There is an ever-growing library of text to choose from, and the reading tasks are designed to improve core literacy skills. The EP English Writing Basics content focuses on a three-stage writing tuition approach. First, students work through comprehension activities of modelled texts to understand how a variety of factors influence our writing. Second, students work through guided tasks and scaffolded sections to practice their own writing. Finally, students can try independent writing tasks to hone their skills. These can be assigned individually or as peer review tasks, which encourage students to collaborate and improve their proofreading and editing skills. Our visual literacy content covers all of the basic design principles and encourages students to read visual information critically. There is a comprehensive bank of interactive lessons available covering a variety of visual text types. In an effort to support teachers in teaching critical thinking skills, EP English provides a highly relevant information literacy syllabus across 4 levels of difficulty. Some of the areas covered include critical thinking skills, evaluating media, fake news, logical fallacies, and global digital citizenship. The EP English lessons are thoughtfully scaffolded and structured to support students in gaining core knowledge and motivating higher cognitive thinking through expressive tasks. There are a lot more topics covered in EP English, and we are continuously working with schools, teachers and students to develop the most relevant and up-to-date English subject content possible.